Hello, my name is Ronnie, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our Summer Discovery program, we have created a Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. Today, I'll be showing you how to use our Neurographic drawing kit. At the end of our demonstration, I'll provide a link to our online Summer Discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. Today, I will show you how to create neurographic art. So what is neurographic art? Let's break it down. A neuron is a cell that carries messages between the brain and body, and it's the basic unit of our central nervous system. Graphic is the artistic use of pictures, words, and shapes to describe our world. It connects the brain and art. Neurographic art was created in 2014 by Pavel Piskarev, a Russian psychologist, as a way to enhance our neural pathways using art. Piskarev claims that neurography awakens dormant neural connection, which stimulates positive change within the artist. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need the following materials: paper, a black marker, and color markers. Watercolors, color pencils, and masking tape to hold down your paper are optional. Now focus on a challenge or a problem you've been thinking about, and for 3 long seconds, just scribble on your paper. You can scribble up and down or side to side, moving around freely. This is a very expressive activity. Think about the challenge that you've been experiencing and let your hand glide through the paper. If any lines stop in the middle of the paper or do not extend to the edges, continue them until they do. Next step is to transform your art by rounding off any corners where 2 lines intersect, softening the edges so there are no sharp lines, and filling in the gaps with your black marker. Wherever your drawing looks empty or out of balance, add additional lines for tracing shapes. Make sure you round off every corner from the new lines or the new shape. Once all of your intersecting lines have been rounded and filled in, you can start adding color and definition to your drawing. Use at least 3 colors per variety. You can also experiment with different values from light to dark. In addition, experiment with layering your colors or adding a dark shadow on one side of each color section to create depth. There is no right or wrong way to do this drawing. Neurographic art can be created with a wide variety of materials and in different ways, and it will help transform your stress into something peaceful and fun. Interested in learning more about mindfulness and therapeutic activities? Check out this book, Mindfulness for Students by Stella Cottrell. The Big Book of Even More Therapeutic Activity Ideas by Lindsey and Optimists Dive First by Nielsen. We hope you enjoyed this Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at lacountylibrary.org/summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to